Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you're trying to figure out how much Certifier actually costs, whether it's worth paying for, well, then this video is going to answer that question completely. A lot of people land on a pricing page, see a few numbers, and still walk away confused about which plan makes sense for them. So I want to walk you through every single plan, what you actually get on each one, and then give you my honest opinion on what each plan is really built for. But before we get into the video, I do have a special offer. If you're planning to sign up for Certifier, make sure that you use the link in the description of this video. When you sign up through my link, you'll get an exclusive 10% discount on any paid plan. So go check the link in the description before we get started. Now, the first thing to know about Certifier's pricing is that they have a free plan, and it is a really solid plan. The starter plan is $0 per month, free forever. And you don't need a credit card to get started. You get an annual issuing limit of 250 certificates and badges, which is a solid amount, really, to test the platform before you spend money on anything. On this plan, you get access to the templates library, the certificate and badge editor, mass issuing and delivery, PDF certificate export, social media sharing, LinkedIn credentials, verifiable certificates and badges, and API and integrations. For someone just launching their first credentialing program or running a small operation, that is genuinely a usable set of tools at zero cost. The second plan is professional, and this is the one that is the most popular, and I honestly think that's accurate. At $75 per month, billed monthly, you get an annual issuing limit of 1,000 certificates and badges and a 30-day money-back guarantee. It includes everything on the starter plan and adds branded emails, scheduled issuing, expirable credentials, advanced analytics, QR code verification, and custom email sender. There are also two different add-ons available on this plan: premium branding and verified status. Now, the features that I think matter most here are the custom email sender and the advanced analytics. The custom email sender means that your recipients get their credentials from your own domain rather than from certifiers, which makes a real difference in how professional the whole experience feels. And the analytics tell you who actually opened, downloaded, and shared their credential, which is data that you genuinely need if you want to understand whether your program is working. The third plan is advanced at $399 per month, billed monthly, with an annual issuing limit of 3,000 certificates and badges and a 30-day money-back guarantee. It includes everything in professional and adds 7 custom users with roles, custom fonts, premium branding, a custom domain for your credentials, a credentials portal, verified issuer status, a dedicated account manager, premium customer support, custom terms, SLA and DPA, security and compliance support, and multiple workspaces as an add-on. This plan is clearly built for medium to large organizations that need full branding, control, and dedicated support. The custom domain alone is significant because it means your credential pages live on your own web address rather than on Certifier's domain, which keeps your brand front and center throughout the entire recipient experience. At the bottom of the pricing page, there is also a Certifier for Enterprise option for organizations that maybe need something fully custom. On top of everything in advanced, you get a custom credential limit, custom users and teams, single sign-on or SSO, audit and activity log, unlimited custom roles, tailored integrations, full white labeling, and premier customer support. If your organization is operating at serious scale with complex compliance requirements, this is where you would click Contact Sales and talk to their team directly. One more thing worth knowing is the annual billing toggle at the top of the pricing page. Switching from monthly to annual billing saves you 15% across all plans, and that saving adds up meaningfully over the course of a year, especially on the professional and advanced plans. It's worth factoring that in when you're deciding which billing option makes sense for you. So looking at pricing as a whole, what stands out to me is how clearly everything is laid out. There are no hidden fees, no features buried in fine print, and no surprises when you get to checkout. The free plan is generous enough to be genuinely useful. The professional plan covers most of what a real credentialing operation needs, and the advanced plan is priced in line with what enterprise-grade branding control and dedicated support should cost. Look, I've looked at other platforms in this space, and a lot of them make you jump through hoops just to find out what you would pay. Certifier just puts it all on the page, and I think that transparency matters. The jump from starter to professional is the one that most people are going to think about the hardest. And I think $79 per month is a fair price for what gets added. The branded emails and custom email sender change how your credentials land with the recipients. The advanced analytics change how you understand your program's performance. The QR code verification adds another layer of legitimacy that matters in professional context. And there are not small extras. These are not rather small extras. They are features that directly affect whether your credentialing program looks and feels professional or not. The fact that Certifier also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on both the professional and advanced plans tells you something about how confident they are in the product. You're not locked into anything. You can get out of it if it turns out not to be the right fit. And that is the kind of policy that makes trying a paid plan a lot easier to justify. So that's the full breakdown of Certifier's pricing. If you're ready to get started, use that link in the description below, because when you sign up through my link, you get that exclusive 10% discount on any paid plan. That's a deal that you're not going to find just by going to their website directly. So grab that link right now. And if this video helped you out at all, please make sure to like and subscribe, because there's a lot more content like this coming. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.